Hello and welcome to this video. My name is Christian Schepers and I would like to show you the SeCorr C200 today. The SeCorr C200 is a high-end correlator. It is perfectly suited for the professional location of leaks in water pipe networks. All components of the system can be stored in the robust carrying case. The case offers optimal protection during transport in the car and also enables simultaneous charging of the system components. To charge the SeCorr components, connect the case to the power supply using the AC/DC adapter or the car charging cable. In addition to the C200 receiver, the SeCorr system also includes the two high-performance radio transmitters RT200. They enable the low noise transmission of leak noises from two measuring points to the C200 over several hundred meters. The RT200 is equipped with a knob at the top of the antenna so that the radio transmitters can be carried comfortably when building up a measuring section. The two-channel flex increase the visibility of the RT200 over long distances. GNSS modules are integrated in each radio transmitter, which store the current position of the RT200. During a correlation measurement, these positions are transmitted together with the leak noise to the SeCorr C200 receiver. Two UM200 universal microphones record the leak noises. The UM200 offers a very high sensitivity and can also safely pick up low frequencies, especially on plastic pipes. The very robust cables allow you to carry the microphones and they can also be lifted from deep shafts without any problems. Different adapters always ensure optimal contact to the connection point. Magnetic contact adapters are available as well as adapters for placing the microphones on valves. Leaking noises are transmitted wirelessly to the F8 wireless headphones during a measurement. Hydrophones complete the professional equipment. The HY200 was specially developed for the correlation on trunk mains. Also on plastic pipes, hydrophones often offer considerable advantages over the universal microphones UM200 in terms of the possible location distances for a measurement. The set of the HY200 also includes two adapters that enable safe connection to underground fire hydrants. Connection cables and an assembly tool complete the set. The hydrophones and accessories can be safely carried in a compact case and are always at hand. The SeCorr C200. Professional, flexible, intelligent.